Good morning. This is our first day at sea, and I am about to take a walk around the area outside on deck 8 called the Waterfront. And that's why I didn't do my hair this morning, because it's windy. And let's go. It has gotten so much colder already. You can tell we're heading to Canada. And today we got up. We actually had a kind of a lazy morning. Of course, as you saw, I did the waterfront. And then Mimi got up and got dressed. We actually had breakfast in the room, think about it. And because we kind of wanted to have a slower morning, since the next 4 days after today are excursion days. Our port days. So I tested the fates in the casino, won $20, so that was my stopping point because I don't like to test the fates too much. And then later on we actually went to the buffet, the garden buffet, I think the name of it was, and it was good. It was crowded. Then we went to the Skyline Lounge and we played trivia and with a nice couple. And then we played Hangman, which is kind of, it really wasn't the Hangman I knew about as a child, but it was similar, but it was more of a trivia. And now we're back in our room, and it's gotten so much colder outside. I'm going to show you outside the ocean, how pretty it is, but it's gotten so much colder. We're going to go eat in the Manhattan room tonight for dinner. And that is one of the main dining rooms, and it's on the back of the ship. And then we're going to a show called The Choir of Man, and we're going to just enjoy that. And that's going to be the rest of our evening. And we're going to take you with us to dinner, just to kind of show you what we have in the main dining room. It's a great sea day. I love sea days very much. See you later. What you got, Mimi? What are you eating? French onion soup. Artichoke dip. Now I'm having clam chowder. Yum. Mimi, what you eat?
Pork chop. Delicious.
It's Parmesan encrusted pork chop. And I already finished mine. I had a flounder. It's flounder. It was delicious. Mimi, what you having? Was it delicious? I thought it was supposed to be on fire. And I had a chocolate mint parfait. You ready to go see a show? Yeah. Hi, Mimi. We're going to go see the Choir of Man. It's going to be a fun night. Mimi, which way are the fish swimming? Do you want to know which way is forward? The fish are swimming forward. George. And we are in the forward of the ship. Alright, what I wanted to share with you is about how you tell your room steward that you need your room made up, or tell anyone to leave you alone for do not disturb. So in most cruises, all cruises we've been on, you just had a placard that you hung on the outside your door to let them know that you need your room made up, or you talk to your room steward. Or if you want to please do not disturb, you put a placard on your door. Well, not on the Norwegian Escape. You push a button. So let me show you how. So you can push these buttons to let them know if you need your room made up, or if you just need do not disturb. So let me push do not disturb so you can see outside what it looks like. So this is, if you push the do not disturb, then you have do not disturb lit up, and also the at home is lit up because the key or something is in the slot to let them know that you are in your room. Pretty easy. So we're back in our room. We saw Choir of Man, and it was fantastic. I highly recommend, if you're going on a Norwegian ship and Choir of Man is on your ship, that you make your reservation. Make it as soon as you can because it was full. There was no seats available. So big recommendation for that. Also, we had dinner tonight and it was delicious. We had a great waiter. His name was Conrad, and Mimi thought he was beautiful, and we got a picture of her with Conrad. And what else did we do? Oh, we went to the 5 o'clock somewhere bar and heard a wonderful group singing. It was really good, and the guy was so talented. We liked him a lot. Now we're back in our room. We're about to make our plan for tomorrow. And so in the morning, we'll update you on our plan. We're in St. John in the morning. We actually arrive at 4:30 a.m., but I don't think we're going to be there at 4:30 a.m. as far as us. But once we can, we're going to get off the ship, and we're actually just going to walk around the town and see what's going on. We didn't have an excursion plan for this stop because we have 3 excursions plans after that. So we're going to have a good night's rest, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Bye.